Do you want pork ribs so tender the bones slide right out and skin that's perfectly crispy? Today I'll show you a simple trick that makes all the difference. Stay till the end. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making crispy pork ribs, juicy inside, crispy on the outside, and full of flavor. First, remove the membrane from the back of the ribs. This is very important. It helps the meat cook evenly and later the bones will come out beautifully. Score the skin into small squares. Add the ribs to a pan with some fat and sear them for a few minutes until golden. Now for the marinade. Add 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, marjoram, oregano, basil, thyme, and savory. 1 generous tablespoon of garlic powder, black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of paprika powder and add salt to taste. Use Himalayan or coarse salt. One teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of regular mustard. Pour hot water over everything and blend until all the flavors come together. Add olive oil to the baking dish and coat the baking dish and add the marinade. You can already smell how rich this is going to be. This marinade is simple, but every ingredient has a purpose. Add the pork ribs and coat them well with the marinade. Rub the marinade well to make it taste great. Once blended, this marinade smells incredible. Nothing fancy here, just good flavors working together. This is the kind of sauce that slowly melts into the meat. This is homemade cooking at its best. Cover them well and bake them on at 120 degrees Celsius for 125 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 2 hours. The ribs are perfectly cooked, the bones come out easily, the meat is juicy, and the skin is crispy. I will slice them very easily and serve them. Slice them up and serve with rice, potatoes, or vegetables. It will be even better if you bake homemade bread. I have wonderful bread recipes on my channel. You can make gluten-free bread or regular bread. Every bite has crispy skin, juicy meat, and that rich sauce. Look how juicy they are. The juice is just oozing out of them. I dip a scoop into the baking juices, scoop up the rice, and we have a nice ball on our plate. Quite simple and beautiful. Look at this juice from the ribs. This is pure flavor. Don't waste it. This sauce is what makes the whole plate come together. You can hear how crispy the skin is. That sound says everything. Thank you for watching. Cook with love, enjoy every bite, and I'll see you in the next video.